Hello, my viewers all over the world. This is Osaku's Farm and Agro Allied. I'm here in the biggest cow market in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Here with me, this is an amiable cow seller, Malam Alhaji Hassan Mohammed. Oga, I greet you.
Welcome to our market.
Thank you very much. So, Oga, tell us, how did you go into this kind of business?
My brother, when you go in this business, now the people are trained.
Yes.
From there, from Benin, we go in Kano State, we go Bauchi, we go Gombe State, Katina. From here to those states, we go buy the meat from them, we let them come.
Oh, thank you very much.
Selling for
Edo State.
Because no be today, no be yesterday. They use this business, they go me the one that are the small people, they use this business, they go 25 years or something.
Hello, my viewers. Yeah, he said 25 years he has been in this business.
Now we stop we do our business for inside the Edo State for them.
So how long did you train this cow from little bit to this level? How long? How many months? How many years?
We said if we don't go there, we will buy like that.
Just already like this.
No matter now we dey train them.
Okay.
The one that do the train says if you train them now they go 5 months, 6 months. They buy this food.
Yes.
That food one that they see and like that.
Yes.
Because before how would they buy them to now it's different day. Before would they buy them 2,500, 3,000. But now each one would they buy them 13,000. One bag. 13,000.
13,000. No wonder the cow don't get expensive now.
Lorry the one that they donate from Katina like that now 1.1.
1.1.
Before we let them call it just here.
Okay.
Each one cow now, what you would they sell them for here? Last price now 800, 700, 600, 550. That.
Okay.
Because everything you don't hear, not to afford. I think get me.
Yes. Thank you. So, Oga, thank you very much for your time.
Yes,
thank you very much. Until I come your way again, please, if this is your first time of watching this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Subscribe. I remain my humble self, Osahon Okungbowa, the Chief Executive Director of Osaku's Farm and Agro Allied. Thank you. Keep watching. Thank you very much.